Mela, a word associated closely with Milon, a meeting of people or a gathering which finally converges into a celebration. Melas play a major role in the socio-cultural life of people, providing a vibrant platform for intermingling of fellow human beings. Shantiniketan, which means an abode of peace, a small and peaceful university town located in the western corner of Bengal, provides such a platform for Mela each year, starting from Shatui Posh, or the 7th day of Posh, as per the Bengali calendar, till Doshoi Posh, or the 10th day of Posh. It's now more than a century old. On 21st December 1843, that is Shatui Posh, Mahorshi Debendranath Tagore, father of the illustrious poet, novelist and liberal thinker Rabindranath Tagore, accepted the Brahmo Creed or Brahmo Dharma with 20 of his fellow thinkers. Commemorating this incident, a Brahmo Mandir was established at Shantiniketan in 1891 on the same day. A small mela or fair started 3 years later to celebrate the foundation of the Brahmo Mandir or Kacher Mandir as it is popularly known. This mela or festival, as it has become now, is an amalgamation of people or Manush Jon from far and near who wait the whole year to meet with long-lost friends and family. Posh Mela stands for rejuvenation of spirits. The mixed culture is evident from the kiosk of chaiwalas who offer kullar as well as paper cups. All-day favorite jilipis or jalebis provide energy to the villagers, bringing back the nostalgia of the city folks. Traditional muri and aloo chop is getting a stiff competition from the universal chow mein. Traditional ornament makers offer beautiful knickknacks ranging from glass bangles to roop dosta, that is white metal ornaments, and the latest terracotta jewelry. Tagore always encouraged folk or all art form, and the tradition continues till today. There is an open stage in Posh Mela which provides a platform to various forms of Bengal folk art. Some of them are on the verge of extinction. The folk artists, mostly unknown. Baul singers are known all over the world, whereas the other forms like Dhol Baddo, Bhadugan or Bhajogan bring in the local flavor, adding to the nostalgia. The folk artists touch the heart through their performances on more contemporary issues such as deforestation. The stage also provides the much needed entertainment and also a resting place for the people around. Outside the Maidan or Melar Mart, it is business usual. The Mela sells everything from cheap Chinese plastic items to the beautiful jute and straw handicrafts. People throng to the Mela with excitement and enthusiasm. Over the years, involvement of the local people has slowly changed the character of the fair. It took a unique form where the two parallel streams of culture merged.
হায় হায় নারায়ণ মানুষ রূপ ধরে নরনারায়ণ হলেন এই ধরা পরে হলেন যুগে যুগে অবতার ঠাকুর
On one hand, the elite educated Ashramites of the Vishwabharati University, founded by Tagore, celebrate foundation of the Brahmo Mandir, while on the other, the agrarian community from the neighborhood celebrate harvest season. Both the cultures retain part of their identities and lead to the yearly celebration called Posh Mela. The parallel streams of culture flow uninterrupted. A few hundred meters away, the Ashramites gather at the Brahmo Mandir to celebrate the birth of Christ with somber Robindra Sangeet and carol, while Bauls sing at the open stage, celebrating another great human being, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The duo divinity spread the message of love. So do the Manush Jon in the Mela.
গোসাই নিত্য বলেন নিত্য পুজো তোমার মানুষ গুরুর চরণেতে কৃপা হরি ওরে মানুষ গুরুর চরণে এই মানুষেতে কৃপা মনরে আছে রে বর্তমান মানুষ মানুষ হয়ে মানুষ হয়ে
People from different ways of life meet each other. Cultures mix and finally merge into a vast sea of humanity.